Are you looking for a renovation project? In which case, Borrowdale Road is the house for you. This house is a complete refurbishment. It also has some structural issues, hence why our advert says cash buyers only. Just to let you know, we do have a full structural surveys report, which is available to view on request at the JDG office in person. Let's go inside and I'll show you around. So Borrowdale Road is a house that needs complete renovation, but as we go around the property, you're going to see loads of potential, including this spacious bay-fronted lounge with its high ceilings. Next is the second reception room, and as you can see, the property has been untouched for years. There's a cellar, and as we go through, we have the kitchen. This of course has lots of future potential, but when we get to the garage, I've got some great ideas. Here's the garden, and of course, if you look down, you can actually see just how extensive this plot actually is. The garage is actually my favourite part of the house. So much potential, and I personally would knock through from the dining room into the kitchen. So back into the garden, which conveniently is not overlooked. And to get such a large garden in the heart of Lancaster really is something else. We'll go back inside the house and we'll show you the upstairs. So the upstairs is set over 2 floors and starts with this spacious bathroom. I really think it would take a 4-piece suite, and I personally would put in a roll-top bath. The next bedroom is actually the 3rd room, the smallest of all 3 double bedrooms, and this one looks out over the rear garden. It does have a fantastic view. Leading on, we now have the main double bedroom, and what I really like is the twin windows looking out to the front of the home. Again, the ceiling to high. So head upstairs, and this top floor is dedicated to one large bedroom. Of course, there are some sloping ceilings, but imagine if you put dormers on this, just the space you could make.